Hey there! Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck or wondering where all your money went at the end of the month? Do you want to learn the best tips for saving money and building your wealth? Then keep watching, because in this video, I'm going to share with you the best tips for saving money that you can start implementing today. Welcome to my channel, where I share with you the best tips and strategies for managing your finances and building your wealth. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important things you can do for your financial future: saving money. Whether you're saving up for a big purchase, building your emergency fund, or investing for your future, the tips I'm about to share with you will help you reach your goals faster. Also, check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. The first tip for saving money is to create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money each month, and it's essential for making sure you don't overspend. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month, then use that information to create a budget that reflects your priorities and goals. Make sure to include all your expenses, including bills, groceries, entertainment, and savings. The second tip for saving money is to cut back on unnecessary expenses. Take a look at your budget and identify any expenses that you can live without, like subscriptions you don't use, dining out, or buying coffee every day. Cutting back on these expenses can help you save a lot of money over time. The third tip for saving money is to use cashback apps and rewards programs. Many apps and programs offer cashback or rewards for shopping at certain stores or making certain purchases. By taking advantage of these programs, you can earn money back on your purchases and save money over time. The fourth tip for saving money is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month, so you don't have to think about it. This will help you save money without even realizing it. The fifth and final tip for saving money is to invest in your future. Investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth over time, and it's never too early to start. Look into low-cost index funds or target date funds and start investing as soon as you can. So there you have it, the best tips for saving money that you can start using today. By creating a budget, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, using cashback apps and rewards programs, automating your savings, and investing in your future, you'll be well on your way to financial success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great tips and strategies for managing your money.